Hello everyone, before this video starts I wanted to say big thanks to everyone for stopping by and hitting the subscribe button, because now we already have 50 subscribers. That's more than I could ever wish for. Really grateful for that and hope everyone's having a wonderful day as we're having it right now. It's sunny out here in Latvia. So back to the episode. So here are my two projects. The Patrol that I'm gonna be fixing this series, and this is the Make 2 Volkswagen Golf that I want to swap engines from that one. Volkswagen Make 3 ABF engine. That also can be fun. Need to fill the paperwork there before so I can officially use it afterwards. So this is the donor card that I will be swapping into. Everything from my Patrol. As you can see, it has full dash already, just missing steering wheel, the dashboard full panel, the dashboard, steering wheel. Also this central console has some parts missing, but other than that, only stuff that's missing is the one I stripped off already. But yeah, we're gonna take everything that we need from our existing one and then we'll be good to go. Let's start the episode and start the work. Let's learn something new. First, let's clean the interior, then we'll get to the dash. Let's go. So the car is a little bit cleaner now, as you can see, no more junk everywhere. I got my box ready for all the components, like these small things and whatever I take off. Also have my screw bucket. Also got myself a new torch. It's really cool. Now I can see everything. Hopefully that's gonna be enough. In case anyone's wondering what is this torch, then yeah, this is what I have. K27 accessories. I like it for now. Okay, I guess let's start taking this apart. First off, we can take this apart. The ashtray, I guess I'm just gonna screw all the screws out and then let's see what happens. See that here it's already should be there, but it's not. I don't know. There. Here we have these flat-headed screws. I don't think I'm gonna take off this cover because I have it in the second car, and just basically I don't need to do any of this. I just need to take off steering wheel and the gearbox thingies, in case anyone's wondering. This is how it looks. I guess I could have left it there also. And there are more. Let's take these ones off. These are really tiny ones. I guess holding the... My guess is we need to get rid of. And then we'll see what's going on. Can we take it off, or do we need to do something else? What do we have in there? What's holding it there? Guess something's under here. Yeah, that's right. Need that. And I'm guessing this is gonna let me remove the whole box. Box is removed. For now I don't need anything else because the second one also has the second heating unit, and it just means that I'm gonna have most of the things there. Well, the second panel, second body has a lot of stuff already there. Okay, so this is for the front lamps. I don't have them. This is seat heating. Don't have it either. I'm guessing we're gonna pull it that way. And this is for the mirrors. Our panel is off. Yay. This is done. Oops. It fell. I'll clean it up later. Oh, found the tool. Someone lost it. Looks cool. So this is the motor. There are like candies in there and stuff. I will get closer to that when we remove the flooring and stuff. Next stop, the middle dash. Let's go. So the front panel dash, whatever it's called, this thing, we're gonna take it off. I see that it's been held in place by 2 screws on either side. Here are 2 and there are 2. And I'm guessing some clips because something is broken there. And let's start removing all the accessories like these switches and stuff. That's how it looks from the inside. And this is how it looks from the outside. It's also an ashtray. Okay, I'm down. Okay. Okay. So it was held in from the bottom, this small screw, this tiny little one. Cool. Remove. Steering wheel is held with the 19mm screw, in case anyone's wondering. Not much pressure needed. And it's off, 90mm. So apparently you just needed to wiggle it a bit with the screwdriver and it came off. Came straight off. It's a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is. I don't have it, that's why I need it. Oh, it just pulls off. Nice. I just need to get off these. Window heating. Rear sprinklers. Fog lights. And on this side, the dash lighting, yeah. Now for the dash itself, 3 screws. Here, well, 4 screws here and here, but as you can see mine is half broken. So yeah, let's remove it. We'll need it anyway because we don't have anything else to use. So even a broken one is better than my non-existent one. Okay, we don't have metal wires that show us our speed. Cool. Nice. And it's off. It is off. Well, what do you say if we continue removing the panel? I say let's do that. Okay, let's just go for it. Let's remove everything we can, just for the hell of it, just so we see what's inside there. on the noise. This is what we have. There's heating elements, wiring, stuff like that. Main thing we did, we removed the panel. Too sad that this will be drilled out because I don't have a key for the other one, and yeah, I need to use my key. This one was also strange. I think I broke it. Yeah, that's it. This is what we have, like left. Panel is there. Yeah. Thanks everyone for stopping by. This will be the end of this episode. In the next episode we're gonna remove the heating elements, flooring, roofing, everything to the bare metal will be stripped off. So we're done with the interior and we can move on to the engine bay. That will be interesting. Yeah, that'll be fun. Because the faster I do that, the faster I can get to frame reconstruction, welding and everything. See you then. If you like, please click subscribe button, click like button. Again, thanks everyone for helping me reach 50 subscribers. That is huge for me. And yeah, I know usually people are used to seeing 50,000, but hey, I'm a small channel and my content isn't that good, so that's huge for me. 50, really, thanks. See you in the next episode. Bye.